and so on and so forth. They work on 30, 20, 10, 50, etc. But now the master of them all, I don't know, I really want to like cut that one, yeah, to avoid one or two dramas. But I will know how to like mark the video. I'll be right back. So here is another game changer. This is what I call the baddest of them all. This is what they are using now here. And this one is so powerful that it doesn't work on 6 gig dedicated video RAM. It doesn't work on 4 gig. The minimum dedicated video RAM you can use this on is 8 gig dedicated video RAM. Like 8 gig, which is so massive. And the minimum RTS is 3070 upward. I don't know about 2080. If you have a good 2080 with 12 gig dedicated video RAM, you can try it. Yeah, that one will surely work. But if you have 2080, 2070 with 8 gig, you can give it a try. I can say it will surely work. And this one works fully on GPU. So if you are using it and your laptop is not plugged, it will surely lag. It will be very, 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 very slow. So this is what we are going to do. Let's try something. Okay, I'm on it. I'm so black, so don't expect good results. So you can see now. You can see now, the more I try to shine light on my face, the result is coming out. You can see now. You can see now. You can see that the result we even have on the deep light cam is different from this one entirely. So that is why I call this one like the baddest. So let's enhance this one now. Yeah, so you can see now, so sharp, everything is out. You can see. But my only disadvantage is I am black. I am black. I am black. So that's why the results will not be like really good on me. Yeah, but assuming I'm light, like I'm light skinned now, then my result is bam. So this is the craziest of them all. But this one is, so if you need it, I'll drop my contact on the bio. You can come down, make inquiry about it. If you need a laptop, I sell laptop. So you can send a DM to me. We deliver nationwide. We send to Ghana, South Africa, and so on and so forth. So if you need, and we can buy laptop installed and sent to you. So thank you all for seeing our videos. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for liking our videos. God bless you.